Hi, today I have a little bit of a different type of Dollar Tree haul. I'm basically going to take you around the house and I am going to show you things that I hauled from the Dollar Tree but didn't necessarily haul in a Dollar Tree haul video. It's just things that I brought home and put away right away because I couldn't wait. I was too excited. So I'm going to show you the haul that I hauled but are in place already, and don't mind me, I have a little bit of a summer cold, and I kind of borrowed AJ's hat for this video. I got his t-shirt because when I feel not so great, I always tend to borrow his t-shirts because what is more comfortable than a boy's t-shirt? So yeah, so besides all that, let's go around my home and show you what I love and have hauled from the Dollar Tree. Hope you enjoyed this type of video. Let me know down below if you did. Alright, so we're starting off in my bathroom. The planter, of course, is from the Dollar Tree. I had originally bought two of them because I had a whole different idea for them, but it didn't work out, and then I kind of just had two of them hanging around, and then I repurposed one in the kitchen, and then this one I just recently repurposed in the bathroom, and I absolutely love it. The dispenser is also from the Dollar Tree. It's the one with the green bottom, and I have our hand soap there, and I will be doing a full tour sometime soon. I still have quite a bit of work to do, but once everything is done, I will be showing all the new changes that I made, and this is part of it. So for now, the dispenser and the container are both from the Dollar Tree. Here is where I have the other one. It is in the kitchen, and I have this green plant inside of it, which is like in a copper container, and I left it in there because I love the contrast of both of them, and I love how it looks against the backsplash that my husband and I did ourselves. Also in the kitchen on my windowsill, I have this lantern that says homemade on it. I do have a battery operated little tea light in there that I light every night, and I just love the ambiance of it sitting on the window. I did show this in one of my vlog every day in April videos, but I'm just showing it again because I paired it up with it. And then on this side, as of last night, I did have my lavender plant sitting on the windowsill, which I loved so much. The grouping, I loved the way it looked, but it was begging to go outside, and I just couldn't push its life inside any longer, so I had no choice. So now I am on the hunt for another indoor plant that I can put on the windowsill. I would like something like that, like lavender, you know, like a herb. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. I didn't want to go with just a regular plant. I kind of wanted to go with something, I guess, kitcheny. I don't know. But if you have any suggestions, that something that I can keep indoors that I don't have to transfer outside, I would love that. This has nothing to do with it. Right now we're in front of the window, so that's why it seems dark. But that is my parsley, and then there is my mint. So something like that, but obviously on a bigger scale, because I want to do it on the windowsill. So any suggestions would be highly... Okay, that's what the wind does. I usually don't have the window open that much, or we don't have the window open at all because the AC is running, but the tree is just bringing in such a great breeze right now, so that's why I have it open. But that usually happens, so I need to either lower the window, or I usually just remove it off the windowsill while I have it open. We're in my dining room now, and I have this stand here where I keep my TV because my dining room is open to my kitchen, and when I'm in there working, cooking, I like to turn on the TV. So at the bottom here, I use it for decorative purposes, and this wall art frame picture is from the Dollar Tree. It's the one with the herbs, and I just love herbs, and it does say lavender back there. And then I found this at the Dollar Tree and I thought it was so stinking cute. It's lavender, but it has like the white petals, and I think it was just a perfect find for this little milk jar. Again, I just love the maybe not necessarily hardcore farmhouse style, but definitely farmhouse inspired. And I mean, for $2, it screams more to me. Definitely loving how this came out. We have now moved into my parlor, and I cannot believe that I snagged this picture from the Dollar Tree. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's something you would at least pay $12.99 for at Home Goods, and I only paid $1. I love the black and white together. I love the botanical feel. I absolutely love how it also blends in well with the farmhouse look. I just cannot say enough about this picture, and how perfect is that $1 easel also from the Dollar Tree. It just works perfectly here on my end table. Another masterpiece I am loving on my other end table is this container from the Dollar Tree. I cannot believe this was at the Dollar Tree for only $1. The flowers were from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. They're coming off white, but they're actually like a cream color. And I believe this container arrangement only cost me around in the $5 mark. And I mean, to me, it looks so expensive. It looks like it would cost a lot more than $5. And this is what you can do with just plain old Dollar Tree items. I mean, how high-end does this look? I am absolutely loving this. Here on my fireplace mantle, I have this absolutely beautiful cross. I cannot tell you the happiness, the joy that this cross brings me. I know that might be over the top to say about just one little item, but it does. I don't know. It just brings me such peace and joy, and I smile every time I look at it. I imagine a big white wooden old farmhouse just full of memories. Every time I look at this, it reminds me of a farmhouse pictured in a magazine. I mean, I could go on, and I am just so happy to have added this piece to my decor. I love the way it looks with the blue of this picture frame. I am going to add AJ's baby picture in there. It's just one of those finishing touches that I have not gotten to yet. And the very last, but certainly not least, item of this Dollar Tree home decor tour, if you will, is this oil warmer. Honestly, this is one of those items that at any other store for more than $1 I would have done without, because I have so much as it is already. But Dollar Tree offering this to us for $1 certainly made it affordable and okay to bring something in like this. I love the detail on it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I definitely don't think that this is Dollar Tree quality, if you will. I mean, definitely they have great stuff, but you know what I mean. Like, this looks so much more expensive, and I would definitely not be surprised to see a bigger price ticket on it. But I am so glad that I was able to only get it for $1. I have it here at the bottom of my coffee table, and it's just a great little finishing touch. I think it is so pretty, and I am so happy that I was able to only get it for $1. Dollar Tree, you rock.